Today I'm going to review some of the best questions to ask a mortgage lender when you're vetting them. Now I have all these questions that I'm going to talk about plus some additional information including some of the answer keys of what you're looking for in a PDF that you can reach out to me. I'm happy to send to you. So we're going to go over a couple sections. One is communication. A great question to ask is who's going to be my contact during the loan processing? What hours are you available? Can I get your cell phone in case I need you after hours or on the weekends? How will you keep me updated on the progress of this loan? Will there be proactive updates, maybe on a weekly basis, or is this something I have to call you to get information on? The next section is around the thoroughness of the pre-approval. Make sure that the lender has checked to make sure that the buyer has all the down payment and closing costs in their account with their statements. Be good to find out if there's other money coming in that maybe they have not yet accounted for, gift money, other types of money. Did they run what's called automated underwriting on the loan? This is used on almost every loan but jumbos, and it's a great question to find out about. Did they fully document the buyer's employment and income? For example, if they're an hourly employee, how did they calculate this? So you'd want them to say, oh, I have pay stubs and I verified directly with the employer. That would be a great answer. One kind of catch-all answer would be, is there anything that you're missing in the way of information or documents that would prevent you from finishing off on this loan? So there you're looking to see just kind of what's missing. Another great question is, who did the pre-approval? Was it a brand new loan officer? Was it an assistant? Was it a processor, an underwriter? Be good to know who was actually doing the work. Some questions around appraisals would be, do you have your own appraisal panel or do you use an AMC? And how long is the turn time to get an appraisal right now? Another great question if you have a shorter contingency period is how quickly will you order the appraisal? So if you send them the contract today, are they ordering the appraisal in 6 hours or in 6 days? I'd always verify the loan program type to make sure it matches with what you think. Is it conventional? Is it FHA, VA, jumbo, down payment assistance? Is there any second mortgages associated with the purchase? And will that delay anything? And the last section is around kind of contingencies and closings. So do they have in-house underwriting or do they have to send it out to get approval? What is the current turn time on underwriting? Is it a couple days or 2 weeks? And lastly, by looking at the dates in the contract, so the appraisal contingency date, the loan contingency date and the close of escrow, can they meet those? So these are some great questions. If you have a loan program that is a little outside the box, like a rehab loan or some of the down payment loans, I'm happy to give you some other questions to ask. But for a copy of this questionnaire that you can use with all of your lender vetting calls, feel free to either call or text me at 925-395-4212, and I'll make sure to send it your way. Thanks so much.